Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to uninstall FabriCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back to the program here. Now, this is a mini series on using FabriCAM and the basics of setting it up. And today we're going to be looking at how to uninstall it. Let's say perhaps you're no longer working on this computer, or you want to install it on another one, and you can simply just uninstall it on the previous one and then use your same serial key USB code to use it on the next computer. Now, in order to do that, it might vary a bit depending on the operating system you've got. I'm currently using Windows 10, so I'll be showing you the process where we're taking here. Now, the most simple way, you can simply just press your start bar button, or you click here on the bottom, and then you start typing and you search for FabriCAM. Mine's already there, but if yours is not displayed, you always go just type it in and then it will find it for you. Now you'll see it, we've got the app menu here on the right, and right at the bottom it's uninstall. So you can simply click that, follow the process, and then I'll uninstall it for you. I'm obviously not going to uninstall mine right now. Or you can right click the icon here and you can also uninstall. Now if you don't find it by just clicking on your start bar and typing it in, you could always try by going to the little gear menu here and you click on settings. And then what we can do is we go to apps from the menu, and then you want to go down until we find FabriCAM over here. Click on that and then we'll have an option to also uninstall it there. If you're running an older operating system, you might want to go to program files and then you go to programs and apps, or something in that line, and then we'll add and remove programs, and then you go look under the list and uninstall it from there. But yeah, that is it on uninstalling the program. It's rather simple, the process, but yeah, if you need to, you can do it in using those methods. Otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Till next one. Cheers.